You don't need millions to start saving, just smart habits. Here are 5 saving hacks that actually work, even when you're broke. 1. The envelope method. Divide your money into small envelopes labeled food, transport, and airtime. Stick to the envelope. No cheating. 2. Cook at home. Eating out every day is expensive. Home-cooked meals save money and your health. 3. Turn off appliances. Electric bills drain your pocket. Switch off fans, lights, and chargers when not in use. 4. Auto-save your small change. Use banking apps that round up your spending and save the rest. Even 100 Nigerian Nairas daily becomes 3,000 Nigerian Nairas monthly. 5. Try a no-spend weekend. Buy nothing for 2 days. Just eat what you have at home. You'll be shocked how much money you keep. Start with one hack this week. You don't need more money. You need a better money habit. Subscribe for more simple money tips that work.